Hello. Ah, hello. This is Dome here, and welcome to my new channel. So, introducing DilmyTech. So, to this new channel about DilmyTech, one thing is we're going to be talking about in this brand new channel is about related things with technology, such as CDs and physical media, some other things. So with old technology, I really love collecting and doing so more into the future. Right here, this is like a whole Megatech boombox. It's pretty decent, but the speakers, they're not that great, not that much of bassy, unlike my soundbar for my TV, which I do have and I mostly use. On a pretty decent boombox, but it's not just we talk about with boombox. It's sometimes we do talk about with old phones, such as this BlackBerry. If anybody ever had a BlackBerry, or depending of like anybody who ever had a BBM, or always loved with a QWERTY keyboard, and the whole changing the fucking battery compartment, just simply like that. As you know, so we'll be talking about with old phones and be collecting with old phones as well. And for more things of physical media, of CDs again, DVDs. As you can see, I've been loving DVDs since I got into it, like collecting it in 2020. Even though I didn't really collect that much DVDs in 2020, even though I was just starting. But then until 2023, I was been collecting Blu-rays and DVDs. We also like talking about with digital cameras and digicams, as we call it, since this has become a trend on TikTok and maybe so with YouTube, as everybody was wanting to get a digital camera, especially the Canon LPH 360 HS. A really good camera of CMOS sensor with 20 megapixels, and this camera really shoots up very high details on this camera. And a whole fucking bright ass flash as well. Very bright. Some more on this. You're gonna see unboxing videos around this tech channel, of course, because I always love doing unboxing videos and then reviewing it. Yeah, I'm gonna be starting off my brand new channel of DilmyTech. This is a whole brand new thing, and everything else is just starting up, all fine and dandy, even though this is like my first ever video. And yeah, this is like my whole brand new tech channel. I also like to talk about with gaming consoles, even though a PS Vita with a handheld. So yeah, as you know, this is going to be like a short video about me and my tech channel. So what I'm going to be doing as of now, starting up this channel, I'm going to be uploading all of my unboxing videos that I've been holding on for like quite some time. And because I've been wanting to move them to another channel, because I want to keep some different categories of different channels that I've been wanting to do, even with my hobbies and talents that I could think about for the near future. And maybe if I'm thinking about continuing with video content creating with all that as well. So this is just my first video. Sorry, it's like a little fucking a little bit off script, because I haven't made a script for this. And as you know, as your first video, sometimes it would do well and sometimes it don't. So at least you made your own video and see how well it can perform. And even though keep on going with your own things and for your own path, even more into life. And yeah, continue on what you like to do, what you want to do in your life. Yeah. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified of any new videos. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. This is DilmyTech here, signing out. Bye bye.